Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the lid. At the bottom we have a connection button. You need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds until this light flashed red 3 times. So let me press and hold. Firstly it entered to prank mode, so it started blinking white. It's okay, don't worry. You just keep holding. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to remove these earbuds from your phone and then reconnect it. So open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Right here you need to click the information icon near to your earbuds, or settings icon if you have Android. Forget the device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device. And after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we don't need to use connection button to enter prank mode, we just tap the earbuds at the device list. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!